Let's talk about my personal motivation of why I actually made the app, what drove me to it, and how it really helps me and 1,000+ other users take care of their own finances. Before building my financial freedom tracker, I have used multiple different tools to take care and figure out my personal finances, from budgeting tools to basically net worth projection tools, and to also net worth tracking tools, and then unified them in Excel. And after some time, it just really didn't work for me. And I got really annoyed because personal finances are like a super intricate web of information. If you spend more money, it really affects your long-term plans. And those things didn't really talk to each other, and it was really pissing me off. You cannot ignore any of the small numbers because the long-term vision is really affected by your everyday small decisions. Those small decisions accumulate into bigger decisions, larger decisions, more impact, and they kind of snowball onto each other. And if you don't clean up your day-to-day, you really can't plan for the long-term future. I personally super frequently check my budget because I just don't want it to get out of control. It's a lot easier to just catch it when it's happening. The next thing I really check often is my net worth, and especially now with my financial freedom trackers features where it tracks live stock markets, bonds, your 401ks and everything. The next big advantage of seeing your net worth every single day is the confidence for me to at least have the fuck you money. And seeing it on my financial freedom tracker all in one place, no needing to update it, is super helpful and helps me with day-to-day stress. And one of the best features I ever built and ever got to use is the life planning, where you can draw out your whole entire financial journey. You can drag it around the way you want and play around with it. Figure out, hey, if I work one more year, what effect does it have on me? Hey, if I want to buy a new car now, would it actually affect my long-term plan? By how much? What does it do? It also gives you the confidence to spend a chunk of money, seeing how it affects it and being mindful of the decision. I was so surprised how those small expenses really add up over the month. I was actually terrified how like a dinner here, a new tool that I don't need, but it was on sale, so I bought it there, was affecting my overall financial goals and my overall budget. This really helped me reflect on it for the next months and not make those stupid decisions. Basically, be mindful, realize that I'm making stupid decisions before I made it, and not do it, which was really amazing realization that I did not think I would have. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below in the comment section, and of course try out my financial freedom tracker that I'm personally building for just people like us that really want to take charge of their personal finances. And I'm out.